Yeah, I'm going through it over here.
Okay, TikTok, so I'm trying to do too much. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so I am trying to do too much. Alright, waking up at 6 o'clock every morning to work so that I can be ready to work out in enough time and get ready for work. One, that's good. That's good, right? And then I gotta work from like 11 to 5:30, right? And then, you know what else I added into my schedule? DoorDash. So I'm over here dashing, right? And I realized, hey, this is what it's doing to me. I'm over here door dashing, and I ain't even wake up in time. You know what time I've been waking up? Instead of 6, I've been waking up at like 8, 9. But you know, I'm not gonna let that discourage me, though. It's not gonna discourage me because just because I didn't work out yet, it doesn't mean that I can't do all of this. It just means I need to figure out a good time. So, you know, we're going to figure this out because I'll be damned. I'll be damned if you try to defeat me. No schedule. I make you schedule. You don't defeat me. You don't control me schedule. I control you. You are part of my day. Yeah, I'm talking to you schedule. I'm talking to you. Because guess what? I'm going to get this stuff done. I'm going to work out. Yes. Yes, I am. I'm going to work out. I'm going to do DoorDash. I'm going to work my regular job. And I'm going to survive. Okay. That's it. Oh, what's that? What's that? I get a nail. I'm going to bed. I'm going to talk to y'all later, because that was ridiculous. How did I get... What'd I do? Cut my nails while asleep? That would happen. Just... Ooh, that hurt. That ever happened to you? You got so hard it hurt. You keep crying. I need to wake up and not go back to sleep. I can't. I'm tired. Whenever I'm with somebody and I yawn and they don't yawn, I automatically think they're like a demon or an alien or something. Because what do you mean when somebody else yawn, you don't yawn? That's weird. Y'all don't think that's weird? Because if I go, and you don't yawn too, that's odd. And now I'm watching my back when I'm around you because what type of shit is this? Happy morning. Happy morning. When I write music, it's like it's like a whole universe to me. I wrote a song I don't know how I feel about it, but and I love to play with words. For example, this line says, "Wait there, Wayfair."
Come on! Get it down! Get it down, I say! Yes! You don't get
Can I get the mic? Look it. Ponte guapa. Smile.
I'm exhausted thinking about my week. Ooh. Yeah, so I don't know what your question was.
rock your body.
Rock your body. Come on, come on, rock that body. Rock that body. Come on, come on, rock that body.
Rock your body.
Good morning. I didn't sleep. I've been playing Club Penguin since like 9 p.m. last night. I learned how to fart. So you're gonna press the E and then the T, but make sure you're not like typing into like the chat. And then it makes a fart noise. It's pretty awesome. I like to spam it. Alright, talk to you later.
I'm tired. Headed to sleep. All I do is sleep. I'm exhausted. I'm tired of sleeping at this friggin' point. You did.
With a taste of your lips, I wanna run. You're toxic, I'm slipping away. With a taste of a poison paradise, I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? And I love what you do. Don't you know that you're toxic?
I think there's coffee. I know. Mostly from far away. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going through it over here. These yawns take everything out of my body. I can't not look so weird. Good. Smile with my goodie bag. Woke me right up. Yay, presidents! I had to get one last one. Man, I'm going through it over here. These yawns take everything out of my body. Can't not look so weird. Good. Smile with my goodie bag. Woke me right up. Yay, president! I had to get one last one.